living dito sa countryside ng UK, ng England, may kagandahan din compared to living sa London. Because sa London, madaming pros and cons din. So, yung living in London, syempre, you're near the city. Pag pupunta ka sa London, meron kang tatrabahuin doon. You don't need to travel far. Ako kasi, I'm very much contented kung anong meron ako, anong ine-earn ko. Hindi ko kino-compare yung sarili ko sa ibang tao. Welcome to our life in UK. Simple life, lots of adventures, and family. Join us and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hello! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay blessed kayo this Easter. This is Aliyah and Mommy Grace. At ito po ang Filipina-Chinese family in the UK vlog. And welcome kung bago po kayo dito. And welcome back kung lagi po kayong nanonood ng vlogs namin. Ready na si Aliyah for Easter. Are you ready? So, simple lang ang Easter namin ngayon. Kami ay pupunta sa bahay ng friend namin. Dahil magkakaroon ng celebration. Ayun. So, may celebration po ngayong araw aside from Easter. So, let's go. Sama namin kayo. Ano? What would you say? Let's go, guys. Alam nyo, guys, kanina pinicturean ko si Aliyah. Lalagay ko na lang dito yung picture niya. Ang cute-cute. Yun. I can't resist not to share. So, tara guys. So, this weekend, super busy kami kasi in the last 2 days, kami din ng family ko from London ay lumabas at namasyal. So, sa vlog na ito, papakita namin yung konting video at vlogs na ginawa namin last weekend. So, let's go. Sisi is downstairs. Yung ate niya, yung Aliyah. Yeah, okay na. Halika na. Antok na to eh. Let's go, baba. Halika na. Antok na itong anak ko. Okay, alright. Let's go. Girl, boy. Rat dong, boy. Well, thank you. Come on.
Wow.
This way. We need the chairs back.
Sleep.
Okay, that's great.
She's asleep.
Pass the forks along.
Oh, thank you guys for cooking.
Half the
Oh
We don't
my.
know who killed him. Who killed him? No, like if we have investigation.
This time
This is for Leah,
for
really.
Aliyah. Yes, okay, yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright.
Oh, sorry, the sausage is pork. I'm sorry.
Thank you, tita.
It's great. I'll take
Anak,
it.
anak, down na. Thank you.
Wait.
Thank you, Plenty.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, guys. Do you want some curry?
Do you want me to have you?
Yes, please. I don't have the longest arm in the world, eh.
I'll do mine later.
Are you sure?
It's a bit tight squeeze. Yeah, I'll let her eat first and then you eat.
Good morning! Come here. Kasama ko si Aliyah. Maaga pa eh. 8 o'clock. Come! Come on, baby! Bagong gising pa tayo. Pero nagkape na kami ni Aliyah. Come, Aliyah! Gusto ni Aliyah mag-water ng plants. Halika. Tulog pa si daddy namin sa taas. Come, here. Put it here. Ayan, meron siyang watering can, oh. Ayan, oh. You want to water the plant? Where did you get the talent? Oh, maybe not that one, anak. Here. Okay, magwa-water si Aliyah ng plant. Come, baby! Lagyan natin ng tubig yung watering can niya. Yeah! Halika na. You water the plant. Ayan, o. Ayan. Good job. Look, Aliyah. Look at the water. Yes, lady, stop. Wow, good job. Huh? Put the water. Pour the water. Pour the water. Good job. Oop. Oh dear, you got wet? It's alright. Do you want mommy to get your wellies? Yeah? Here you go. It's empty now. Do you want more? More? More water? The other way. No, don't cut down. Nakat mo na yung dulo ng isa. Oh, it's alright. Come on then. Water the plant. Very nice. You're helping mommy water the plant, aren't you? Wow, wow. And this one as well. Oh, tinutulungan niya si mommy magdilig. Clap your hands. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, there as well. Okay. Oh, wait for mommy. Why? Because it's dead. There's no leaves. Patay na yan. Yan yung ponsecha ko noon eh. Why there's white stuff in it? Which one? That one? There. Okay, here. Ito daw. Rose ni Daddy. Oh, very nice. Okay. That's it. Okay, hold your watering can. Well done. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Maaraw, hindi malamig. In the last 3 days pala, medyo mahangin, tsaka gray. Don't step on the poo, ha? Pupo ni Lady. Pero today, kasi bank holiday Monday, meaning wala kaming pasok. Kumbaga, kunyari, kasi yung Easter is Sunday, ang tao dito sa UK, nakakakuha ng extra day off pag tumapat ang holiday sa Sunday. So, lagi kaming may Monday bank holiday. So, meaning, mga tao walang pasok. Ako, even though I work in the hospital, yung department namin, which is mostly outpatient ang pasyente, wala kaming pasok. Which is, yun yung maganda. Hindi rin kami on call, which is gusto ko. You know, I prefer that freedom rather than, you know, earning extra money. Hindi naman sa pag-aano na hindi ko kailangan ng pera, pero I prefer to have the freedom. The freedom to spend time with my family na I don't need to, saan yung kape ko? I don't need to, what do you call this? Pumasok. Kasi kahit bank holiday. So, meron akong freedom na you know, like be with my daughter, ganon. Or nung wala pa si Aliyah, kami ni Andy, we go somewhere nice, or we go somewhere na gusto namin puntahan, or do something that we want to do, yung ganon. So, living dito sa countryside ng UK, ng England, may kagandahan din compared to living sa London. Because sa London, madaming you know, pros and cons din. So, yung living in London, syempre, you're near the city. Pag pupunta ka sa London, meron kang tatrabahuin doon. You don't need to travel far. Hello! Or, kunyari sa London, nandun yung mga mostly attractions, yung mga tourist attractions, ganun. Ano pa ba? Madaming opportunities sa London if you want to change job. You don't need to relocate to change your job. Yung mga ganon. So, Tapos sa London, meron silang dagdag na bayad to fill the gap of the cost of living, high cost of living sa London. Kaya mas malaki yung sweldo ng London earners kesa sa countryside earners. Isn't it, anak ko? Yes? Ay ko. Diyos ko, tignan nyo naman. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung dagdag ng extra dagdag on top of their salary sa what they call it, London wait. Wait. Itong anak ko talaga naman. Sige, magbasa ka ng libro din. Gusto niyang mag-book. Read ng books. Ayan, okay. Good job. Sige, magbasa ka ng libro dyan. Read siya ng books niya. Sige. Anong gusto mong basahin? Dinosaur. She's into dinosaur. She's 18 months old. But she loves her dinosaur. Oh, airplane. Can you hear that? Airplane. Wow. Can you hear the airplane? Wow. Sige. So, ayan, magbabasa siya ng books niya. So, she's 19 months, tapos biglang nagustuhan niya ng dinosaur. We just accidentally played dinosaur show sa Netflix. Tapos biglang, hala! She got into it. Tapos yan, hinaghiram ako ng libro sa library about dinosaurs. Kasi hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan niya ang dinosaur bukas. Baka ayaw na niya. Tapos bibilang ko siya ng mga libro about dinosaur. Yes! Dino! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Roar! Roar! Teach lady about dinosaur. What have you learned so far? Dinosaur lived many million years ago. Yes, that's right. I don't know, honestly don't know much about dinosaurs, anak. I need to Google it. Yeah, or teach mommy na lang. So, she can't, hindi pa siya nagsasalita, but she knows. Yeah, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Long neck dinosaur. What do you call them? What do they do? Stomp? 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 Stomp their feet? Boom. 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 That's what the stomp means. They stomp the feet. Where's the baby dinosaurs, Aliyah? Aliyah, where's the baby dinosaurs? They're there. There. How many of them? 10. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Yes, that's right. Baby. It's a frog. Oh dear. The dinosaur fell off your table. Oh, that's a pretty dinosaur. 10 minutes to bed. Little dinosaur. Rumble. Oh, Rumble. Oh, who's that? Rumble. Is it a dinosaur? Is it? Okay. Ayan na si Aliyah, oh. Aliyah! Sakay daw siya sa kanyang kotse. Hello, Aliyah! Aliyah? Are you gonna ride your car? It's not moving, is it? No? Not moving? Oh dear. Do you want mommy to bring your slide out? Shall we go and get the slide? No? You don't want your slide here? No. No. Okay, no. Okay. Yun sa ate lady niya. Do you wanna let ate lady try your car? Lady? Ayun, so dito naman sa countryside, ang on top of my head na maganda dito sa countryside is walang masyadong stress, lalo na sa work ko. I don't need to deal with people, a lot of personalities, type, a lot of doctors. Iisa lang ang doktor namin sa department namin na we get along with very well. Yung manager ko very flexible, very accommodating. Tapos ano siya, considerate, yung ganon. Kaya siguro ako tumagal dito sa pinagtatrabahuan ko for 10 years, hindi ako lumipat because kahit malang masyadong opportunities, meron akong parang pag-uwi ko sa bahay. Oh, there. Pag-uwi ko sa bahay, hindi ako stress na iniisip yung trabaho, na bakit ganun sa trabaho, na wala akong stress na naiinis ako sa katrabaho ko. Alam mo yun, meron pa din, mangilan-ngilan, paminsan-minsan, pero hindi siya yung malala na gusto mo nang umalis. Yung ganon. Though, ang ano lang dito na napansin ko is super bihira yung career development na limited lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung nililimitahan sa akin, pero ako kasi I'm very much contented kung anong meron ako, anong in-earn ko. Hindi ko kino-compare yung sarili ko sa ibang tao. Kung anong meron ako, masaya ako. Wait, what happened? Chika-chika si Mami. Oh. You wanna press that? Oh. Gusto niyang mag-move yung kotse niya. Ayan. Halika na. So, hindi ako naka-vlog kahapon na kasama ng mga friends ko kasi nga busy na busy kami. Are you ready? Ready? Yeah. Hold tight. Hi. So, pangalawang rason kung bakit ako gusto yung dito sa UK ay countryside because more likely yung bahay namin. Ayan. So, sa London, very bihira yung makakuha ng mortgage. Unless pareho kayong high earner or madaming ipon, yun makakabili kayo ng bahay sa London. Dito sa countryside, mostly may chance kang makabili ng bahay if you're earning a good salary, ganun. Tapos more of ipon talaga yung pang-deposit sa bahay kasi hindi madali mag-ipon unless may tutulong sa'yo na parang family mo, ganun. Pero sa amin kasi si Andy kasi parang of course, nag-join na lang ako sa kanya kasi meron na siyang sariling property nung nakilala ko si Andy. So, nung kami na yung pinagsama na namin yung salary namin. And then we bought this house. So, yun yung mga bagay na kailangan i-consider if you want to come and live in the UK, yung cost of living, yung future plan mo, where to live, where to retire. Pero maganda yung idea na makapag-invest ka sa sarili mong bahay. Kasi nga, hindi ka nagbabayad ng renta. Yun yung gusto kong i-share dito sa vlog na ito ngayong araw. Alaya! Hello! So, since hindi ako nakapag-vlog dun sa mga travel namin kasi I really enjoyed my time. Kung hindi ako nagva-vlog sa mga events na pinupuntahan ko, sa mga family affairs namin, meaning, tawag dito, most of the time, nag-enjoy ako sa time namin together na I didn't have the time to vlog. Alam niyo yun. So, pasensya na kung hindi ako nakakapag-share ng mga intimate na activities namin with my friends and family. Minsan kasi, I wanna keep some to ourselves na hindi lang basta online lahat. Kasi yun nga, gusto ko na, syempre, may matira pa rin sa aming privacy. Alam ko kasi yung ibang mga katulad ng niche ko, they put everything online. Tapos, minsan, pag may mga aberya, ganun, nahihirapan na sila kasi binabash sila. ayokong mabash. Hindi naman sa ayaw, pero in as much as I can iwas it, wag na lang, iwasan na lang natin. Anak? Ay! Okay. There's the slide. There. Oh, sige. You slide and then mommy will go and get your nappy. Oh, mommy will go and get all the stuff in the car. Yeah? But just be careful with that thing next to you. Dali. Mag-slide daw si Aliyah eh. Oh, hold tight. Whoa! Oh, good job. Hold tight, hold tight. Good job. Hold tight. Hold tight, Aliyah. Yeah, hold tight. That's it. Hold tight. Good job. Well done. Go. Go. It's okay. It's alright. Ready? Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready? Ready? Which one? Yeah. Okay. Go! Mommy took it. Go! Yay! Yellow ball. Blue ball. Red ball. There.